We're Master the Car Master. Today we have an 02 Mercury Sable. This is the same as the Tarus. I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb real quick. You got to get the headlight out. You open the hood. There's an 8mm bolt in here, and then there's a slide clip here. So what you do to get that clip out, you just pry it up like this, and then you can use a plier, pull it out. Two of these that hold these on. There's one here, and there's one down there. So you have to pull them both up. You can see on this side, there's one there, and one down in there. So I already did that on this side. Here's the clip that holds it in. And then the light will come right out. And then this bulb is no good, or that one. If it's a big one, you spin this out. If it's a little one, that's the one we're changing. We're going to just spin that out and pull that bulb straight out. Plug a new one in and put it back together. But that clip holds this light in through here. So the clip slides through there and then through here, and that one bolt. And that's how it's done. You can get these bulbs at any supply house. Just should tell them what the use is for, or there's little numbers on the inside, on the bottom of the base of the bulb. Joe Master Car Master, thanks for watching. I hope this helped.